Hello everyone, a very good morning to all of you. Welcome to Jatadhara Educational Technology. I am Tripti and we are here for our morning maths class. So dear children, let's start with our today's class. And we are doing fractions. So today again we are going to do fractions, but in that fractions we are going to pick up another new topic. All right. So before I start with the session, I would request you all to kindly subscribe to the YouTube channel so that you can get regular updates. Here we go. All right. I hope you are able to see my screen. Okay. The topic that we are going to cover today is comparing fractions. How we can compare fractions. Now, what do you mean by comparing fractions? Comparing means which is greater and which is less, which is more, which has less. So this is what we call as comparing. When you find the difference between two. So let's compare and check which fraction is greater. 1 by 8, 3 by 8 or 5 by 8. So here when you see all the fractions have same denominator and the numerator is different. That's it. So greater the numerator, greater is the value of fraction. When the denominator is same, so what you have to see, if the numerator is greater, then the value of fraction is greater, of course. Denominators are same. That means a single unit is divided into equal number of parts, like 1 part out of 8 parts, 3 part out of 8 parts, and 5 parts out of 8 parts. Numerator represents the number of parts. So greater numerator means greater is the value. Now when numerator is same, what do we do? When the numerator is same, here it's opposite, okay? Greater the denominator, smaller is the value of fraction. Means if the denominator is greater, that means the value of that fraction is smaller. Like 1 by 4, 1 by 6, 1 by 8. Okay. 8, 6, 4, which is smaller? So this one has a smaller numerator. But I can call this fraction as the greatest one. This one has a greatest numerator, but this fraction is smallest. You can see yourself in the picture. This is one, we can say, rectangle. This is divided into 4 rectangles. Okay. So one part is colored. This is one rectangle divided into 6 squares. One square is colored out of 6. One rectangle divided into 8 rectangles, one is colored out of 8. So see the portion. This has a very less portion that is shaded. I'm not talking about the number of parts. I'm talking about the portions that are shaded. So this has very little portion which is shaded like till here. Okay. This much is shaded in the last figure. And if I talk about the second one, this much is shaded. Which has the greatest one? Of course, the third one. Okay. So that means the first one. That means the fraction with smaller numerator, the fraction with smaller denominator is the greatest. Only and only when the numerators are same. Okay. Here 1 unit is divided into 4, here 1 unit is divided into 6, and here 1 unit is divided into 8 parts. Greater is the number of parts, smaller will be the size of each part. Now 1 by 3 or 1 by 4. I told you one condition. When the numerators are same, then what do we do? So when the numerators are same, greater the denominator, smaller is the fraction. Smaller the denominator, greater is the fraction. Fraction with smaller denominator is greater. Here, 1 by 3 is greater than 1 by 4. Right? 1 by 100 or 1 by 10. Super easy. So here, the numerator is same, that is 1. But the denominator, 1 is 100 and then other one is 10. So the fraction with greater denominator is the smallest one, is the smaller fraction. So here I can say that 1 by 10 is greater than 1 by 100. Yeah. Moving on to the next one. 4 by 15 or 4 by 17. Again, the numerators are same. 4 by 15 or 4 by 17. When the numerators are same, greater the denominator, smaller is the fraction. Smaller the denominator, greater is the fraction. Okay. So here, what we have to do, 4 by 15 or 4 by 17, 15 is smaller than 17. That means 4 by 15 is the greater fraction. I can say that greater one is 4 by 15. Children, there is a live chat, a section under the video, the live video. You can use that section to give your answers or ask me any query that you have. 3 by 10 or 7 by 10, which one is greater? 3 by 10 or 7 by 10? Easy peasy. Can be clearly seen, isn't it? So here, 3 by 10, 7 by 10, 3 is smaller and 7 is greater. But here, if you notice, 10 and 10, both the denominators are same. So here, greater the denominator, greater the numerator, greater will be the fraction. Smaller the numerator, smaller will be the fraction. Okay. When the denominators are same, you do it normally, like 3 by 10 or 7 by 10. So it is 3 by 10 is smaller than 7 by 10. Okay, so this is 7 by 10 is the greater one. When denominators are same, fraction with greater numerator is the greatest and the smaller numerator is smaller. Yeah. Okay. 801 by 2024, 2024 or 797 by 2024. Come on, tell me. So here, the denominators are same. We just have to see which fraction has a smaller numerator and which one has the greatest. So here, 801 is greater than 797. This is small. So here, 801 is greater than 797. So the first fraction is greater. Okay, next. 2 by 3 or 4 by 5. 2 by 3 or 4 by 5. 2 by 3 or 4 by 5. Okay, so here, make the denominator same. The first thing that you are supposed to do here is make the denominator same because they are not same. Okay, you need to make them same to compare the fractions. You can compare the fractions only when the numerators or denominators are same. So here, we need to compare the fractions. And we know how to compare the fractions because we have learned that while, adding or subtracting. So make the denominator same by multiplying both the numerators and denominators by a suitable number. So 2 by 3 and 4 by 5, I'm going to multiply the first fraction with the denominator of the second fraction and the second fraction with the denominator of the first fraction. So here, 2 times 5 is 10, 3 times 5 is 15, and 4 times 3 is 12, 5 times 3 is 15. 10 by 15 and 12 by 15. So here now we have got the denominator same. Which fraction is greater? 12 by 15 is greater than 10 by 15. Okay. Simple thing, when the denominators are different, make them same. That's it. Okay. Next one. 5 by 16 or 3 by 10, 5 by 16, or 3 by 10? Now, next one here, 5 by 16 or 3 by 10. First, we will make the denominator same. 5 by 16 will be multiplied by 5 because I can see here. Wait. Okay. So I can find the LCM and see, which is the desired number with which I have to multiply. So here I found the LCM of 10 and 16. I found that the LCM is 80, we can say. So 16 times 5 is 80, 10 times 8 is 80. Or what you can do is 5 by 16, 3 by 10. The way we were doing 10, 10, 16, 16. Okay, 50, 160, 48, and 160, which is greater this one. Similarly, here also it's the same. Okay, so that's how you have to do it. There are multiple ways of making the denominator same. Either find the LCM or, just multiply the fraction with the denominators of each other, like that. Now, 2 by 5 or 4 by 11. Come on, children, I want you to do this. Just make the denominator same. So here, what we have to do is 2 by 5 and 4 by 11. Just make the denominator same. 2 by 5, 4 by 11. I will be multiplying it by 11, 11, 5, 5. Okay. 22 by 55. And here 20 by 55. Which one is greater? 22 by 55. Okay. So that means 2 by 5 is greater than 4 by 11. Right? 1 by 6 or 3 by 19? Do it. 1 by 6 or 3 by 19? Okay, so here 1 by 6, 3 by 19. Yeah, I'm gonna multiply it. 19, 19. Here 3 times, wait, sorry, I'm sorry. Yeah, 3 times 6 and 19 times 6. Okay, so 1 times 19 is 19. 6 times 19 is 114. Then 3 times 6 is 18, and here 114. Which is greater? The first fraction. That means 1 by 6 is greater than 18 by 114. Wait, sorry. 1 by... Wait. It means 1 by 6 is greater than 3 by 19. Okay? This is greater. We'll do the next one. 2 by 7 or 5 by 19. Please do it. 2 by 7 or 5 by 19. So here, multiplying it, 19, 19. I'll multiply 7, 7. So here, 2 times 19 is 38. 7 times 19 is 133. 5 times 7 is 35. And 19 times 7, 133. Now, here we can say that this is greater than the other one. That means 2 by 7 is greater than 35. Sorry, wait. 2 by 7 is greater than, 2 by 7 is greater than 5 by 19. This is the answer. Okay. Now, children, another kind of question is like, arrange these in ascending order. You have multiple fractions and you are supposed to arrange this in, ascending order maybe. Now, how to do it? Because the denominators are not same. Okay, so what we can do here is the first step to do is make the denominators same. Okay, make the denominators same. And how we can make the denominators same? Let's see. Make the denominator same by multiplying both numerators and denominators by suitable numbers. Okay, now we need to find the LCM of the denominators 2, 24, 16. So that we can have a common denominator. So LCM of denominator 2, 4, 24 and 16 is 48. We have got 48 as the denominator. Let me show you. 2, 24 and 16. 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 12, 2 times 8. 2 times 6, 2 times 4. 2 times 3, 2 times 2, 2 times 1 and 3 times 1. So 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, 8 times 2 is 16, and 16 times 3 is 48. That's how we got the LCM. Now, once we are done with the LCM, let's make the denominators same. 2 times 24 we will do, then we will get 48. 24 times 2 will do, then we will get 48. And 16 times 3 we will do, and then we will get 48. Okay, 48, 48, 48. Now the denominators are same. It's very easy for us to compare, to arrange. This is the smallest. Then after that, 22 by 48 and then 24 by 48. Ascending order is small to big. Yeah. And then here we can also say that 21 by 48 came from 7 by 16 is less than 22 by 48 came from 11 by 24 is less than 1 by 2. Okay. Yeah. So other way, another question, 4 by 9, 5 by 12, 7 by 18. All these will be done in the same way. That first you have to find the LCM because there are 3 denominators. Finding the LCM of 9, 12 and 18 gave me 36. I'll show you. 9, 12, 18. So here we will do here we will do 2, 9 here. 2 times 6 is 12. 2 times 9 is 18. 2 times 3 is 6, then 9. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 3 is 9. And 3 times 1 is 3. 2 twos are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 12 threes are 36. LCM is 36. So let's make the denominator as 36. 9 times 4, 36, 12 times 3, 36, and 18 times 2, 36. Now let's arrange. 14 by 36 is less than, 15 by 36 is less than, 16 by 36. So fractions that we have got is 5 by 12 is less than 7 by 18, which is less than 4 by 9. Okay. So yeah, children, with this, we are done with our today's class. We will do more questions like this in the next class. Okay, but you keep practicing. And thank you so much for joining the session, dear children. I'll see you again super soon in the next class. So yeah, by the time, take care and have fun. Bye-bye, everyone. Have a good day ahead.